How to see blocked accounts on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to see blocked accounts on Messenger. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Messenger app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the menu icon which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the menu section, then what you have to do is simply tap on settings. And now from here, simply scroll down and tap on privacy and safety. And now here in this section, simply scroll down and there you can see the option labeled as blocked accounts. So simply tap on it. And now here you'll see a list of people that you have blocked on Messenger. So here you can just tap on any profile to unblock if needed. And that's it. That's how you can see blocked accounts on Messenger. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.